Hello guys, so my name is Krisnendu. I'm a class student of Jalipur Vidyapit, IT department, class 9. So this video is all about how to use Google Chrome efficiently to the best capabilities of the end user, which is you, me, and everyone else using Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a very popular browser to use internet for, and so today I'm gonna show you all about how to use the Google Chrome much efficiently. Again, if you like the video, please hit the like button and share and subscribe our video, and just subscribe to our channel. And if you have any recommendations to us, please comment down below. So we all know that Google is a very widely used internet browser, and for that matter, we need to know something that around this time of the year, which is pretty much tough for everyone out there in the world, we need to always, when doing internet browsing, need to be as quick as possible, because right now we are all using the internet. For that matter, we need to learn some tricks and tips of Google. And we all know that also that mouse is a very slow thing to use, slow input device, and keyboard is much faster for almost all the works. So Google also has those, and those are shortcuts which we use for Google, which we will show today. So first of all, when opening Google Chrome, you may not see this exact theme, which is just mine only. You may see this just white or something else you probably have chosen. So when we open the Google, the first thing I'm gonna show is that when look, my mouse cursor is right now on the screen, so I'm gonna press Control T, which will open up a new page. Now this is a very widely used shortcut, and sometimes we also use the shortcut Control W to close the page, which also works. Now when we have multiple tabs open for reason like Control T, I'm gonna open GitHub, then Control T, I'm gonna open Play Store, etc. For that matter, we can always change the tabs each other among them by pressing. My mouse is still on here on the screen here. I'm gonna press again Control plus Tab, and see my tabs are replacing, and I can see each pages by just clicking two buttons instead of clicking on my mouse button and moving the mouse cursor all the time, which also works, but keyboard is much faster again. And then there's this option, some few tips like Control E, which opens up search Google. So if I can also open Play Store, for example this Google Play Store, and then I can open the Play Store. So this is a page. So if I search right now, this is the web browser search, which is not gonna show me my exact results. So I need to search in this URL bar. For that, look, I have to move the mouse, click on here for that. But I can do this just by clicking again Control and then E. Control E lets me do this very quickly, and then I can search YouTube. I can then open YouTube. And again I can Control E, and then again Google Play Store. And now some extra tips are, for example, we can change the window by pressing Alt Tab. This opens my recording software, as you can see, OBS, my Win desktop, and my Google again. So this lets us use the open windows very easily rather than minimizing or closing or by just clicking on the taskbar. This helps us a lot when we are changing the windows. And rest is very easy. We can also use Control J for downloads of ours. We can use Control H for history, which we can, again, if we need to remove our data for some reason, like we are using a public network, etc., we may have to remove our data for that reason. For that, we can always go to clear browsing history and then last hour and clear data. It's that easy. Now this may take some time for you depending on your computer, on your hardwares and hardware specs and the data you are deleting. I didn't have much data, so that was easy and that was much faster. So yeah, this is like, you see, it got removed. So exactly that is what happens. As well as you can always search more shortcuts, such as, this is very short video, but you can always search more shortcuts. For example, this, see, going into Control Shift N, which is also a very useful one, because we need to use this for our purposes of hiding our privacy data. Like as I said, you're browsing into history, cookies and site data that can test our check our IP address, etc., and information in forms such as we enter passwords, etc., that we may save or not, etc. So that also is a very good thing to use. Then we can do anything basically using the Control Shift N. Open last close tab, that's a good one, because Control T as I showed you, new tab. Now when I press Control Shift T, that opens up the download page, which I actually closed recently. For example, I can show you right now. And now using the same shortcut Control W, I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna show you Control Shift T to reopen it. See, it happened. Now I hope you liked this tutorial, and I hope you like this video and share it and subscribe it. I hope I taught you all something new today, and always comment on the video to give us feedback and reviews to so we can do better. I hope you all liked it. Thank you. I will see you again later.